here are the birds, all waiting for water. Why we starve the birds is simple, because we want them to be tested so that all of the birds can take the vaccine. Your target is to make sure that 90% or 99% or 98% takes the vaccine. Fight the vaccine, making it not effective. The reason why we cut milk and put is to reduce the chlorine nature of the water. Every water has a chlorine, and chlorine normally interjects and fights the vaccine. So he has to turn it into the can, into the drinkers. You may wonder what we're doing is the most critical part, to ensure that at least 98% of these birds takes the vaccine. But you see, after vaccination, birds tend to get very cold, so you allow them warm a little bit, but at the same time don't allow them to get choked up. That all of them takes their vaccine. In 30 minutes time we will withdraw all the vaccine. Well, the threshold is 1, but just be safe and put 30 minutes. When you give vaccine, you just come and make sure that you retrieve all the rubbers and wash them with disinfectants, chemicals that has been proven to be killing or to kill virus. What he's doing right now is eliminating virus, any residue. After every vaccine, you make sure that your vaccine is buried. Okay. Same with what we're going to do. We're going to spray it round. So now we're going to spray it round with the chemical, same disinfectants that has been proven to kill any virus around. All these are measures to make sure that there's no residue.